This is really part of our, learning. Because if we, part of our personal development, no, if we really want to succeed here in Pride, we have to really embrace continuous learning. There is no such thing as, kumbaga pa, if we have the attitude na alam ko na yan, acne, no? Medyo that is delikado because we are no longer open and teachable. And for that, I really commend, I honor all the leaders who are here right now in our Zoom call. Thank you so much. By the way, my name is Jasmine Cheryl Makadangdang Baluran, and I am happy to be your sharer today because I believe that, this is very, very important, not just very important, but we also believe that this is the heart of our business. And today, I will be sharing about the art of prospecting and the art of invitation. And I know, just wanna screen share, like to ask support from my beloved handsome husband, Coach Christian Edward Baluran in screen share. Wow. So today, I also acknowledge all the amazing project, mentors, mentees, coaches. Congratulations po, no? And of course, we are not exclusive, but we are inclusive. This is really open for everyone. Of course, for those who are really doing the private business. But, with the amazing project, have seen we have seen that there is what you call, right now we have crystal clear, have seen that there is a proven system for us to really achieve our goals. And in this amazing project that we call the 90 Days Program, we are very excited. Why? Because as we right now, leaders, all over the world, wherever you may be, wherever you are right now, as we, put our heart, as we give our 100% best, our everything, our all, our commitment, sabi nga, with a discipline, and also in the space of surrender, trusting, believing, our confidence is in the knowing that as we give our 100%, God will do the rest. And we are also, believing that miracles, opens, unlocks, the doors of possibilities to each and every one of us as we are moving forward. That's why this is really exciting, no, with the amazing project. And for the past days, we have also been running the worksheet, of all our coaches and all some of our mentors. And wow, grabe talaga, no? Iba talaga pag yung hugot talaga, alam mo sa loob mo yung deepest why. Sabi nga, it is not the how, but the why. However, it is like, key. Sabi nga ni Coach Amba Glory na, going into a very beautiful mansion or a beautiful house, we cannot go inside if we do not have the key. The key is our deepest why, Bakit natin gagawin? Ano yung reason bakit natin ibibigay ang ating commitment, ang ating time, and why are we going to put effort, into this part business, no? Because I believe that each and everyone embracing the 90 days amazing because they know their deepest why. And even as it's then the prospecting, our prospects, the people that we are going to tap, not just tap, but having the intention of making them as our leaders, our business partners. Because dito po, here in our amazing project, we are doing this because we are intentional. We do this, the prospecting, we do invitation because, everything that we do, we are doing it because our intention is so strong that for us, our end goal in mind is to not just close the sale, but to make that person a business partner or a leader. So this is, not just about, because here in network marketing, there are four kinds. We have the users, we have the retailers, we also have the networkers, and we have the builders. So, ladies and gentlemen, the amazing project is really for those builders who wants to manifest their dreams now. Kaya nga po, it's a 90 days. It is a roadmap, okay? It is a roadmap, and we are so confident and we are so believing because we have already seen that this is already, proven, no? Kumbaga pa, we have seen this, our first crown ambassador, Coach Gloria Quaresma, no? She did this, no? And because of that, me and my beloved husband, no, Christian, we were so, paano mo ginawa yan, no? Because we call each other sister. No, how did you do it, no? Can you just teach us how to do it, okay? And lo and behold, our very generous crown ambassador, Gloria, really shared to us the secrets. Po, ito ang gusto ko. I love network marketing. I love this industry. Why? Because this industry, all the secrets of the successful people, are really open. No, kumbaga pa, normally sa mga traditional business, sa mga successful, they don't share their secrets. Why? Kasi baka magiging kakompetensya ka. But here in network marketing, it is really a helping people business. And I am so grateful because to God be the glory, with our, the mind, or the mind of Christ, and Amba Coach Glory, together, of course, with our CTO, Brother Nathan, Sister Faith, and also BOD, three-star manager, Sir Rudolph and Mamay, and all the grand coaches, beloved Christian and I, we collaborated and we have seen, crystal clear that this is the roadmap. And there is no other, way but to really do this, the proven system. And in this concept, in this amazing project, I just like to lay down, that number one, it is very important that our mindset, sabi nga po, sa Bible, that as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. It is really the way we see, the business, that's why dito po, it is really about 100% believing on the product, believing, on the compensation plan, believing in the company. It's really also about believing that the company, it's not a small-time company, it's not a small-time business, but indeed a global business. So if we just have, that's why po yung mindset, the way we see our product, our business, our company, kasi po, importante po yan. Kasi po, lalo na tayo, because we, for me and my beloved husband, we are 100% in really doing private business and embracing the amazing project. Kasi nga, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. So importante po talaga, that we see that this company, this business, will give us a fortune, a fortune that will never end, no? It's really abundance, no? And strategy. Importante po na pag papasok tayo sa negosyo, meron po tayong strategy, hindi lang bara-bara, hindi lang widow-widow. And this amazing project concept is a tool, a strategy that will also help us achieve what we want to achieve, especially our income goal. And next is really an action, no? sabi nga, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So everything that we do, we have to really strategize it, and we have to do action plan. And I'm really grateful because, in the amazing 90 Days Amazing Project po, we are right now, this is the foundation stage. Part of the foundation stage, no? Because success here in Prive is a journey. It is a process. There is no such thing as overnight, okay? Overnight success. I do not believe that, most of the successful multi-billionaires, it took them years, for them to be able to really say that they are successful. Even po, all of us knew, we stayed in Cebu for around 8 years. And our office in Cebu is located at the Tower 3, 8th floor Crown Regency. That Crown Regency, as for the moment, I believe so, it is the tallest, it is the highest building in Cebu. But it took years. You know why? It took years that the foundation, it is really, talaga pong grabe yung foundation. Sobrang lalim. Kumbaga pa, kung gaano kataas ang building ng Crown Regency, ganoon din kalalim yung foundation. That's why when that powerful earthquake hit Cebu, I think, 8 years ago, 9 years ago, hindi po siya, ganun lang, no? Why? No, hindi siya nayanig, hindi siya na-shaken, hindi siya bumagsak. Bakit? Kasi po napakalalim ng foundation. And it is important po that as we go through, this journey, importante po na yung foundation natin po is really clear, it is really rooted, in the right foundation. And here po, we are also seeing that the amazing project is really part of the foundation stage. So nakikita po natin talaga, that talagang triple triangle, and we see that the foundation stage talaga is, it's really effort, not just small effort, but big effort, okay? And then makikita natin dito yung income natin maliit pa because we are still, establishing a very deep foundation. And then our network, yung mga leaders natin maliit pa. But as we continue to move forward, as we continue to really learn before we earn, as we continue to embrace commitment and focus, eventually po, we will reach the stability stage. That's why part of the foundation stage is knowing your why. Bakit po? Why are you here? Why iTeracare? Why Prive International? Why network marketing? Ang dami-daming company ngayon, no? Nagbibigay promises, pero why network marketing? Why Prive International? Why iTeracare? For me and my beloved husband, no, we have seen that number one, network marketing is the, as of the moment, for us, it is one of the most powerful, beautiful industry. Why? Because you have the opportunity, the platform to be able to help and make a difference in the lives of other people. Why Prive International? Because the company is so generous, very supportive with our BODs. We have really seen how good their hearts are. And why iTeracare? Because it is the product of the now. It is a revolutionary device. It is a breakthrough technology, a frequency medicine that we need, all of us needs, right now, because in our generation, grabe na po yung mga sakit-sakit. And that's why this, and of course, our deepest why is our family. And we also, see that one day we will also, have time and financial freedom as we help all our business partners and leaders achieve their goals. And number two po is, basic knowledge and skills. Kasi po, it's not just about, it's not just about knowing your why. It is also very important na we are also equipped. That's why sabi nga kanina ni CTO Nathan doon sa video that we take full ownership. The success of our Prive business really depends on us. It is about taking full ownership, taking full responsibility, because I am the CEO of my business. So in this po, you have to really know, the skills, the basic knowledge and skills, which we will tackle the first, the art of prospecting and the art of invitation, and then our 8 leaders, which is the man. Okay, which we will discuss. So this is really, the roadmap that right now we are, all the grand coaches are embracing the 90 days, mentoring. And of course, we know the cycle. Okay, we know the cycle that first, as we embark, as we make a choice, to really commit to do, the private business, it is important that we set a goal. That's why po sa ating 90 days amazing project, meron po tayong primary income goal at saka we also have the secondary goal. Next is the prospecting. Balik ako sa goal setting, no? Sabi nga, there is a study that, 90% of those successful people, they write down their goals and they put it into action. That's why they are successful, because they make things happen. And very, our prospecting po is really, this is not just very important, no, but this is the heart, the heart of our business. Because it is in this prospecting, and then at the same time inviting them. That's why, part of our worksheet, and even those leaders right now who are who are listening to me, but I know and I believe in your heart that you also have the heart to not just, kumbaga pa, share. Because this one po is, we are not selling. Okay, we are not selling the product, but we are, selling the business opportunity. No? Palagi po nating sinasabi na the product is done deal. The product speaks for itself. The product works like magic. Kumbaga pa ho, testimonies after testimonies all over the world is already ganun na po ka, ang mga testimonies, even Americans, Europeans, even as you Google it in YouTube, sobra na pong daming mga testimonies. So dito po, product is done deal. So here po, what we are in the amazing days, okay? In the amazing project, the 90 days program, our focus is on the builders. We are looking for business partners. Because sabi nga, when you focus on the benefits of the product, you attract more users. But when our focus is sharing the business opportunity, which is equally very important, we attract business partner, business people, leaders. That's why dito po sa ating worksheet, which we have worksheet, na ito po yung ginagawa natin ngayon, iniisa-isa natin yung mga prospect natin, no? Why? Because number one, importante po ng may man. What do you mean may man? Ano po ba ibig sabihin ng MAN? M stands for my money, my means. Okay, yung may capacity, because our packages are not cheap. So that's why it's also very important that we profile. A stands for ability, or authority. Ibig sabihin po, yung pag sinabi niya na ganito, kumuha kayo, yung mga tao na sasabihan niya makikinig. They obey. No, may authority siya. And which, we have a lot of those na, isang sabi lang, isang command, everybody obeys, everybody listens. And N stands for network. Yung maraming connection, no? Or yung may need. So, in other words po, walang problema, no? Kasi marami din tayong mga beloved natin, mga young at heart, senior citizen. Their energy might not be ganun ka grabe tulad sa atin ng mga bata-bata pa, but the referral. Okay, so country, because for your information, all 106 powerful leaders in the Zoom call, I just want you to know that Prive International in 2 years time, we are over in 78 countries and more. So that's why po yung ating negosyo napaka yung mindset natin na kahit nasa Pilipinas lang ba tayo, ay Pilipinas tayo, like right now, I'm in Davao and some of our leaders are all over scattered in the Philippines and even in other countries. But we just have to embrace that truth that our business is global. Okay po? So let us not just be contained with our geographics. Example, nasa Davao lang tayo, so Davao lang talaga yung ating mga prospect. No, 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 no po. Our business is global. Okay? So that is really very exciting. Tapos ano yung strategy natin? How do we strategize, no? Because our goal, no, marami po yan, we will discuss it, no. Importante po yung how do we strategize that this person na sinulat natin will say yes to us. And ano din yung mga possible din na mga sagot, no, what if he will say no? So, importante po na ngayon pa lang, kumbaga pa, we already strategize it. Alam na natin kung ano yung i-combat, isasagot natin. Because here po, we begin with the end goal in mind. No? That's why po, kami po, when we starting, when we are doing prospecting, po, I really, acknowledge the power of prayer. Talaga po, me and my beloved Christian husband, no, talagang we do pray, we do really declare, because pag talagang the power of prayer talagang dinadala mo sa dasal, napaka-powerful po niyan. Kasi po, kasi po dito, this is not easy, no, lalo na pag kumbaga pa you really wanted, no, but there are also times that we have those na talagang nagsabi na not this time, no. So we just respect, no? We just say it's okay. It's okay po, no. We really understand, no. We do not take offense to it because we also believe that everything has its right time and perfect time. Then we move on. Okay? So, very important po yun, no? Kaya nga po ngayon talaga with all the coaches, the mentors, and the mentees, iniisa-isa talaga yung ating mga man, prospect list na my man. So, dito naman po is the importance of invitation. Okay? So, here we have to understand that our prospects. Kung baga pa ho, meron tayong matching and pacing. You know why he or she will join the business. Halimbawa po, kung yung prospect mo is doctor, okay? So, syempre, mga doctor, more on the medical, tama? So, tayo naman po, here at Pride, we have, the kumbaga pa medical na mga, meron po tayo niya, no? Kasi mga analyst yan. So, meron po tayong mga, inatawag nito, mga kumbaga pa documents, and then meron po tayong that will also say, why iTeracare is right now very, very, it's not just a want but a need, to each and every person. And we can also do matching. We also have doctors in the house. We have our very own, every Wednesday, very committed, very loving, very supportive Dr. Ibay. No? So, pwede po tayo matching and pacing. Kasi po, importante po that alam natin, no, naiintindahan natin yung ating mga prospects. No? We also have prospect na talagang mga matatalino. So, kumbaga pa, so alam natin, no, we have to really be, that's why, and importante din talaga yung part ng knowing the product, kasi that's why very happy because we have this WeCare Academy, we have all the tools in the house, that we can all learn, no? So nasa atin na lang talaga yan, no? And crafting the perfect invitation. So ibig sabihin po, when we do invitation, there is no such thing as fix. So we have to really craft, paano mo siya maiimbita na kumbaga pa yung kasi every prospect is unique. You cannot say that, in this prospect it works, but in the other, there is no, so it's really unique. So you have to really be customized. That's why napaka-importante po sa lahat sa atin dito. When we do, the art of invitation, importante po that we listen. Active listening. Makinig po tayo. And mostly po talaga, like kami, we share we share our story. Ang kagandahan po kasi sa Amazing Project, meron tayo doon, no, sa number 4 or number 5, our pride story. So ang galing talaga, no? Ang galing talaga. I am so excited with this amazing project. And then next po, overcoming common objections. So in other words po, parang kumbaga pa kung meron kang prospect na alam mo medyo pilosopo o medyo alam mo na hindi agad-agad. So tayo po, you just have to really be very kumbaga pa alamin mo ano yung mga possible questions niya na ikaw din handa ka din sa anong magiging sagot. So that's why importante po, that we do active listening and we have just to be prepared. That's why dito po sa Amazing Project po, kung as much as possible, when there are Zoom trainings po, maganda po talaga that we can really attend, we can really join. And of course, call to action, no? So it's not just about, it's really making things happen. It's really about making things happen now.